Welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to make Paneer Butter Masala in instant pot. For making Paneer Butter Masala, here we have 1 pound of paneer cut into big pieces, 1 medium sized onion, chopped onion, 3 medium sized tomatoes. Here we have quarter cup tomato puree. You can also replace it with one more tomato. Here we have other ingredients. 2 tablespoons of butter. First we are going to fry the paneer with 1 tablespoon of butter, and another tablespoon of butter is for frying onion and other masalas. Bay leaves, fennel seeds, minced ginger, minced garlic, turmeric powder, cumin, coriander and red chili powder, each half a teaspoon. Black pepper and salt, each 1 teaspoon. We are using powdered cashew, quarter cup. You can also use cashew paste. Dry methi leaves, cilantro, 1 tablespoon of paprika for color, quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Here we have 1 tablespoon of cream. We have to add it at the end. Now let's start cooking. Let's set the instant pot to saute mode. Add butter and 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Now we are going to fry the paneer in melted butter. Make sure you fry all the sides. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Paneer is fried now. Let's make the gravy in the same pot. Add another tablespoon of butter, 2 teaspoons of oil, bay leaves, fennel seeds and onion. Let's fry this in the butter. We have to fry the onion until it becomes golden brown. We fried the onion for 5-6 minutes. Now we are going to add minced ginger and garlic. Fry this until you get all the aroma out. Then we add tomatoes. Add chopped tomatoes and tomato puree. Fry this for 5 minutes until it becomes soft. Tomato is cooked well. Now we are going to add all dry ingredients. Turmeric, red chili, coriander, cumin, black pepper, paprika and garam masala. Fry all the masalas with the tomato and onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Masalas are fried well. We are going to remove the bay leaf and grind it into smooth paste so that it will be creamy, thick and creamy. Add 1 cup of water. The gravy will be thickened once we add the powdered cashew. Now we are going to grind it. Gravy is smooth now. We are going to add powdered cashew, dry methi leaves, kasur methi, salt and cilantro leaves. Mix well and cook this for at least 5 minutes before adding the paneer, fried paneer. Now you taste this gravy and add more salt if required. Gravy is cooked now. Let's add our secret ingredient, tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. This will give tangy and sweet taste. Now let's add cream. And cook this for 1 minute. Now let's add paneer. Add one by one. Mix well. Cook the paneer in the gravy for 1 to 2 minutes and it is ready to be served. Paneer butter masala, cooked in instant pot. It goes very well with naan, chapati and rice. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and found it useful, please subscribe to get instant notifications.